Assalamualaikum. How are you today? My name Ridwan Nullah Kamal from Al-Muchtari Islamic Model School. I will provide an easy tutorial for memorizing Al-Quran. Firstly, intention, sincere intention, and self-confidence. Good intentions are very influential on success because good intentions are definitely because of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Secondly, correct reading. Reading and pronunciation must be correct. Improving your reading has a big impact on your fluency in memorizing because memorizing means reading. And third, memorize it in the morning. Memorizing in the morning is very helpful in the memorization process because the brain is still fresh. Fourth, often muraja. Repeat reading. Muraja helps the brain to store what memorized finally. And the last, make a memorizing schedule. Making a schedule will make us more organized in terms of time and situation in memorizing. That's all. I hope what I said is useful and don't forget to follow our social media. Wassalamualaikum.